Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video guys, I'm showing you here the actual installation of an all-new ECU. That's right, ECU/ECM for a 2011 to 2018 Volkswagen Mark 6 Jetta. It should be the same guys on all trim levels, Jetta S, SE, SEL, or GLI. Here in Canada, it's basically like Treadline Plus, Comfort Line, Highline, GLI, alright? So, why guys you might need this information? Well, I'm sure one day your ECU/ECM will basically die on you and crap out on you, and you're gonna need to install a new one. So you can go ahead, go into your local scrapyard, pick up one with the same part number, and swap it out. There's no additional programming needed or anything, just a direct swap, and your car automatically works just fine like it was before. So apparently on this car, it's a 2014 Jetta S, Mark 6 Jetta. You can see here, 2-liter engine, non-turbo. So apparently the ECU is right here under this cover, okay. So this is one big cover. So how do you take it off? There's a clip under here, right here, you see guys? You unclip it. And at the same time you're holding this clip undone, you also unclip this clip too, outwards. So use both hands, one hand on this clip here, one hand on that clip here. The way I do this, I just stick my hand directly under this cover to grab the bottom part of this tab and lift it up while holding this tab open too with the other hand, and the whole cover should come off in one piece. There it goes. That's the back side of it guys. See the tab there. Put that off to the side. Okay, and here's the actual ECU. I see a tab for it right here. See that tab right there? Basically the tab right here. Okay, one more the same kind of tab at the back. You see it right back here. So you pull both those tabs outward that way and this one outward that way with two hands, and then I'll just possibly slide up the actual ECU. And now guys, for the actual ECU harnesses, how to remove them? Well, apparently each of them have this kind of connector here, okay? So you pull this connector straight out this way, and there's a back one here as well, right here. You pull the connector straight back that way. So basically straight back this way. So once those connectors are pretty much all the way out and the connector is, starting to become very loose, you should be able to take out these connectors individually, one by one, straight out, and then off to the side, and then just take out the whole ECU. So I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm back. I've now pulled out the two tabs there using a flathead screwdriver. Okay, once that's done, you should be able to lift them up. There's one, and there's two. And I'm back again. So I was able to wiggle out the ECU straight up by pulling outward on these tabs. There's one. Second one is down here. Okay, pull it out of the tab. Basically this bottom one here was very easy to pull out and pull up on the ECU, but the back one here was a lot more difficult. I used a lot more force to push that clip out and pull out the ECU. All right, and here they are guys, the stock old one and the chipped new one. Two ECUs just casually sitting on my roof, and now my car is ECU less. There's nothing in there. So I've got the actual new chipped ECU right here. So guys, here's the actual housing. So the ECU basically slips into here, this slot here, that slot there, and this slot here. Okay, and installs with the actual part number sticker this way. Okay, so basically the long wiring harness plug on top and the shorter one on the bottom, like this. I'll go ahead now and do that. I'm back guys. I just got the new ECU, the chipped one, in. Okay, you push it all the way down and it snaps in place via these clips here. Okay, so this bottom part here just steps into this plastic housing, and you push it all the way down till it clips in, and you can't push it down anymore. It's in now. Next up is actually putting on the wiring harnesses. I had taken this one off last, so put it back on first. Alright, I'm back guys. I put the connectors back on, push them down tightly, and we'll go ahead now and push in these clips, you see, on both sides. Alright, I just pushed these clips back in with both hands very tightly. They're both all the way in. Double check that these are not coming out. They're pretty solid on there. Okay, and you're pretty much done. Can I put the cover back on? There we go. Wonderful. And there you have it, guys. That was how you install the ECU/ECM in your Mark 6 Jetta. I hope you guys learned something today and found it very easy to do. I hope you guys can actually do it yourself. So this, guys, effectively ends the video. This is Mr. Greek 2002. Please, guys, show a huge like on this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Volkswagen Jetta content. Take care, have a good day. And I hope to see you guys on the next upload.